scary game.
What's up, guys? Today we are playing a full game called Dead Silence.
Okay? Okay?
Dead Silence.
Okay, and how join you?
I'll join you, also.
Busy playing?
Yeah.
Dude,
Dude, the freaking picture is weird.
Right, here we go! Are you in?
Dude, that noise, it's blood. Oh my gosh. Now.
Okay, I'm gonna join you. Dude, that's how I was like.
Wait, I can
die.
Oh, I see you.
I'm joining.
So,
Wait, I'm gonna invite you.
2 players. Here we go.
Invite.
Wait, what about free players?
Lucas, what are you doing?
Where are you?
Are you sure you don't want to play us? Come on, guys, 3 players. Override me, Lucas. Lucas.
Benji, where's Benji?
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, we have to get in there first. Everybody just be on the door.
No, there's a girl trying to steal our thing.
No, don't join it. Don't join it.
My eyes, they keep stealing.
Go back to it, I guess. Lucas, let's just do 2 player.
No, Benji, you can't play with us.
Benji, go.
No, why? Yes.
There, go.
Is there a 4-player? Yes. Wait, you don't.
Do you want to play with us, girl? Yeah?
Drew, do you want to?
You have 10 seconds to say yes. Yes. No. Riley. I'm gonna look for games that are actually like not scary. Like. No. I like perfect timing. No. I'm gonna do it alone.
You're in it?
Yes.
Leave it.
I am. I'm trying. Dude, that's just too scary. I don't want to see anything. Okay, leave. Okay, so we're doing it. First one, not the screen.
I guess. I screamed.
Oh shoot! I had my volume up too loud. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm at the thing.
Ah!
Wait, Benji, are you in it?
I'm in a game.
Oh, please.
Lucas, get over here.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Lucas.
Ah!
Lucas, you ready? Lucas! No! Oh my gosh, Lucas.
That was not my fault.
gosh, Lucas. Seriously? Why'd you have to leave?
I never was in it.
Are you serious? Lucas, okay, come on. No, Lucas! Get ready. Get real close to it. No! Maybe you'll leave. Lucas, join it now.
Yes.
Yes!
Yes, 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 go.
Now, keep your mouse button away from the leave button.
Yes. Okay. It's gonna be like a studio.
You've been banned from the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. You can't join.
Too late to leave.
Oh, I'm scared. Well, I already peed my pants, dude.
I haven't got to that part. Ah. No. This studio. Stop it. Stop it. It says it's dead silent.
And you can't close your eyes.
Blood. Oh my god.
I can't figure out how to open this freaking thing.
Jameson, where are you? Dude,
Dude, I'm still in the Mystery Studios thing.
seriously?
Bros. Bro, I can't figure out how to open this thing.
This thing's getting real close.
Tell me if you guys figure out how to get out.
Shoot, I'm in. Jameson, okay, I see you. I see you. Burning. This is already scary. Are you in yet?
No, still back there, presenting.
I'm staying inside of your body where I see nothing.
Am I jumping?
No. Dude, we're in sewers. We're Pennywise.
Yeah, I just found a railroad.
Are you in?
No.
Are you
That
almost?
silence is going into my body.
Holy crap! Oh!
Do we just die in this?
We can't reset ourselves.
Lucas, why is there blood on the floor?
Yeah, that's what I noticed too. It also said warning. This is very aggressive.
Aggressive?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm scary. I'm scared.
I'm not scared, I'm interested.
Dude, I'm peeing in my pants.
I
I'm
can't
not
get
even
through
joking.
this
I have to
door.
go right now.
Jameson, are you in?
Oh, sewer. I'm coming in. I'm coming in.
Warning. Please keep in mind that Dead Silent contains flashlights. Dead Silent also has been having aggression.
Are you in now?
At your own discretion.
Benji, so far is this scary for you?
No.
Okay.
I just got hit by a train.
Okay, Jameson, okay, let's go. We can't go up that ladder.
Crap, I'm in Granny now.
Yo, don't get in the poop water.
Why?
Once you get hit by a train, you go into Granny's house.
You're in front. How come your walking so slow? patrol. Missing person. Let's see, disappeared while a patrol. A patrol car found abandoned on the
Leslie Wilthers disappeared while on patrol. Patrol car found abandoned on the outskirts of town.
Why are you walking so slow?
Dude, you can't see anything.
Yeah, you can.
I can't.
Oh, just the killer Roblox.
Oh shoot. Jameson, you can't see anything?
Yeah, I can see now.
Jameson, go into settings and turn the graphics all the way down.
So all the way down.
Can you see now?
Wait. This mouse is the slowest brick.
Here, let me see what happened with my.
Okay, I can see now.
Okay, here, let me turn my graphics down.
Can I have like a mouse? Lucas, we gotta go into the poopy water.
I don't have a mouse. But you're still walking slow.
This game is fun.
I can't get up off of here. Here.
Bro, Jameson, once you get into my part, you're
I
gonna...
need to find a way out of here.
Oh, I know the way out. You have to die, though.
This is the wrong way.
Wait, are you at the train?
Try. We're in the sewer. Are you, no, are you at the place?
Right here.
Said this. Go in. Ah! Go get the hammer. It was.
What
So
is
go
it
back to.
No, don't! Don't tell him, Benji!
That's the only way to get out of the place.
Okay, let's go, Jameson. Where is it at?
No, don't! Benji.
I'm not kidding. That's the only way you can get out.
Where's the hammer at?
Don't tell him, Benji.
It's at the sewer.
Benji!
Well,
I'm not playing.
go over there.
I'm not playing!
Okay, okay. No, you just won't tell me where it is. Jameson, I found the hammer.
I'm not playing.
Seriously?
Bro, dude, just because I told him,
Dude! I don't want help.
oh,
Jameson, he didn't tell me where it was. I found it myself.
No. He told me he told you.
no, I didn't. I hope I do not
Jameson, where'd you go?
find Jeff the Killer again.
I'm over here.
I was found by Jeff the
No,
Killer.
over here. I found the way out.
I'm not playing.
Oh my gosh. Why are you whining just over that?
Dude! I don't want no help. Help is stupid.
Ah, don't get ran over by a train.
You have to be ran over.
Why?
Just shut up. We go this way.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. How are you walking so slow?
Then you'll...
You're walking so slow.
Because I can't go anywhere.
Benji, you never came in this room probably?
What room?
Oh, shoot!
Yes, I did.
Me? Oh no! Is that what happened to you?
Yep.
Me. Brain, there's a...